Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to turn on post views on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at the top right corner. Now click on settings and privacy. Click on the privacy and you can scroll this bar and you can see the option of post views. If you turn off this option, then all your post views will turn off. If you turn on this option, then all the post views will be turned on your TikTok. That was all. That how to turn on post views on TikTok. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.